Welcome to the Triple S Hotel, Resort and Casino for your pleasure.
Late at night, kiss me in the morning or late at night. Long as you come through, I'ma make it come over and over. I'ma treat you like I'm supposed to. You better never make no time for these niggas, cause when I ride, I'ma ride with you. I can't fucking with nobody, I can't keep living like this, I can't. I tell her what it is and I tell her what it ain't. She know that I've been all on the walls like I paint. Told her at times I wanna give you trust, but I can't. Bitch, I really got it out the mud, climbing up the ranks. When they see me outside, I'm a high roller. I've been on a global jet, but nigga, I fly solo. And I got the Gucci splattered all on the knickknacks. 50 racks, I'm about to break her off like a Kit Kat. And her purse got F's, like the wheels on the back. I just fucked off $1 million, but I still gotta say, shorty know that I'm the realest, she know I be speaking facts. She know that I'm the same nigga that was pushing cat. She know I got the game, but I'm never gonna give it back. Every time that we fuck, I gotta run it back. Late at night, kiss me in the morning or late at night. Long as you come through, I'ma make it come over and over. I'ma treat you like I'm supposed to. You better never make no time for these niggas, cause when I ride, I'ma ride with you.
Let it fill up, give it a minute.
I told Shawty never get too comfortable. I like to feel like the pussy untouchable. I like to feel like it's never going one way. I like to see your body dripping, Eliante. I say I like the way I took you on a wave. I had you screaming my name. Late at night, kiss me in the morning or late at night. Long as you come through, I'ma make it come over and over. I'ma treat you like I'm supposed to. You better never make no time for these niggas, cause when I ride, I'ma ride with you. Ride.
We got London on the track. You mad, nigga, your adrenaline rushing. It feel like a bus, but I'm whipping a rave. Got my head to the ceiling, want me in my feelings, only got me feeling the way. I ain't saying I'm addicted, out of a prescriptive, fuck it, cause I don't feel the pain. Let a nigga touch my chain, fuck it, nigga, kill him, fuck it, make it take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch, I know they gon' shoot shit up. And my little brother turned to a drummer, walking my side, now he got the lumber. I said that Maybach, where the gays at? Tell my brothers ball 100 summers. All my niggas know, run up them numbers. Fuck, run up them numbers. Yeah.
Run up them numbers, okay, see you don't want no thunder. The old Tracy McGrady the one, okay, see you don't want no thunder, yeah. Christian the sweater, okay, Christian Dior the sweater. The double R came with the umbrella. When I put the hoodie on, it get realer. Put 100,000 in my Prodigy, got some little homies, got some Prodigy. And I spent 500 on Prodigy. Made out the project, popping overseas. Shawty gave me sloppy toppy on the seat. I made some cars, you can't cop the fleet. Gotta be an anti-social gangster, cause the feds watching my tweets. You mad, nigga, your adrenaline rushing. It feel like a bus, but I'm whipping a rave. Got my head to the ceiling, want me in my feelings, only got me feeling away. I ain't saying I'm addicted, out of a prescriptive, fuck it, cause I don't feel the pain. Let a nigga touch my chain, fuck it, nigga, kill him, fuck it, they can take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch, I know they gon' shoot shit up. And my little brother turned to a drummer, walking my side, now he got the lumber. I tell that Maybach, where the gays at? Tell my brothers ball 100 summers. All my niggas know, run up them numbers. Fuck, run up them numbers.
Fuck it, I ran out the numbers, paid up like a plumber and sold out a bundle. I paid out the debt to your honor, when got some commas. You let it get to your head, yeah, I remember when you was around. I heard you got snaked by the fed, yeah, say you willing to tell them what up.
I still be chillin' in projects, even though I've been running them numbers up. They used to tell me I'm not next, I'm like, look at me now, I'm in front of them. And I just hope you never set me up my lifestyle to a regular. And I don't know how I'ma trust again, I swear, or tomorrow I might fuck up your eyes, yeah.
I buzz out a piece of the pie, yeah, I wanna speed off in the car, yeah. I got a gun full of hot tech, have a pool party with a plastic. We be the top of the top it, these fuck niggas don't know where to drop it. They won't wanna ride it in a drop it, and he mad at my bitch got a mindset.
You mad, nigga, your adrenaline adrenaline rushing, it feel like a bus, but I'm whipping a rave. Got my head to the ceiling, want me in my feelings, only got me feeling away. I ain't saying I'm addicted, I don't rip a scripted, fuck it, cause I don't feel the pain. Had a nigga touch my chain, fuck it, nigga kill him, fuck it, they could take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch, I know they gon' shoot shit up. And my little brother turned to a drummer, walked him outside, now he got the llama. I take that Maybach where they K's at, tell my brothers ball 100 summers. All my niggas know, run up them numbers. Fuck, run up them numbers.
What's the deal, chat? How's everybody doing? What is going on? It's another Asian Session live stream here on YouTube. You are here with me, Wix9. Thank you for joining. And let's get into it. As you guys know, I usually let the first few minutes of the session play out because of my rollover time on my brokers at 8 p.m. Eastern, and I can't do shit. I can't place a trade, I can't close a trade, so I just avoid that. We have a little intro, and then we get into the breakdown. Watching the interview right now. Hey, Hamutzi. If I said that wrong, I don't know. That's how I do it. But yeah, all love. Thank you for watching that shit. Drop a like, subscribe, and follow the IG. And join our Discord. Go drop a chart over there. That'll be good too. Now, mods, anybody want to join me on Zoom? The link is there. And also for the course members, for devious course members, I dropped the link also. So yeah, let's get into gold. Monthly, previous weekly closed bullish, had a nice support. I'd expect us, after making this bottom wick, to come back up, start riding up. Daily, whoa, closed bullish. Also a little fake out on the daily, huh? We had a bullish drive, came down, and now we closed back above. I think we should, once we break today's daily highs, we should continue riding up. 4-hour closed bear at resistance. What do we want to see? So we want to see some bullish closures here. This is a very solid level here, where we just had a bullish closure. I love you too, baby. My middle child is here telling me she loves me. She's watching cartoons in the office right next to me as we're doing this. 5:30 a.m. in India. I'm here to watch it. Good shit, Chad. Oh, we got a Chad FX. Chad. We got a Chad in here. Awesome. Love it. Thank you for joining us. So yeah, below which level can we drive down? Yeah, we come back above there. Really want this 4-hour to close bull. If we get a bullish closure above here, it'll be great. But if the next 4-hour closes there, we're going to be looking for range 2 breakouts. And at this moment, range 2 is yeah.
about the trenches. I get grandma in my mama roll. She tryna act like thinking she gon' be my wife. I'ma ask you do for them right after I get right. I'm just having fun, baby. I just live a fast life. In the 2C with somebody, bitch. We used to ride bike. Brand new Cartier, on the road. After that drill, they took the story. We lost Perkins, we dropped Cody. It was a high-speed tape with the foley. Walk all on my pants.
Yeah, this fucking bass got my ears fucked up. Alright, so this is what we're gonna look for here on gold. Range 2 breakouts below here. Trying to figure out if I want to have buys. Since we are bullish on the daily, yeah, probably above this level. This level actually suits me. I'm fine with that. Yeah, anything above here will be buys. Yep, this is what it's gonna look like. Alright, breaking lows, this is good. We're gonna have range 2 breakouts here on closure. My kids are going crazy. One of them just fell. You gotta kid-proof your house once you have kids. You gotta get rid of all the edges. Gotta tighten all the handles. Make sure they can't get on anything. There's gotta be, like in my house, like shit. They're lucky they're not wearing helmets walking around the house right now. Don't get impulsive here, Chad. That's what I'm looking to say. Let's get some closures below here. Yeah, we're gonna look for sell closures. $30 levels a little lower here, huh? No, I think this is the level here. I think this was a little fake out to come back up. Alright. Disrespect outside of volume time. So yeah, this is the level we're gonna have here. Right here. Yeah, let it run up a little bit. Let it run up a little bit. Let's go, people. Let's get 200 in here. We're not looking for a position in the next 2-3 minutes. So just relax, take it easy. I'm tired as hell. I just spent fucking last 40 minutes cooking burgers at the grill for the kids. Fucking burnt. This fucking grill heat got me all fucking. Ooh. It's nuts. You like your burger? You like your burger? Yeah. At least that. She said not yet. I don't know how that makes sense. Do you like your burger? Not yet. What does that mean? You're gonna like it later? Alright, yeah. You know, hold on. We might have these cells, but we have to have cells below this area. What am I doing here? And the 15 close below here too, right? No, I want a 30 closure. Even though, look, we had the last time the 15 closed below here, we drove. Hold on. Chat, I'm gonna take a sell right here on the 15. I don't usually do this, but tonight I'm gonna do this. I just need it to break previous low. Actually, what are the stops? Hold on, before we get into this, what are the stops here? 31 for. Alright, let's look at this. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna take a sell right now. I'm gonna wait for the 30, and if the 30 closes below here and leaves a bottom wick, then I'm gonna take a sell, and hopefully we can close below this level, current level. GJ, GJ, GJ. Daily, bullish, weekly. Let me see what's weekly. Weekly. Ooh, we have not broken the previous weekly high. So at any moment we might still reject. If we come back down in range below here on the daily today, we're gonna come all the way back down to 165 levels. Huh? What's the 4-hour doing? Previous 4-hour also bear at resistance, even though the daily's bull. So let's look for range 2 breakouts here on the one hour time frame. Where can we have range 2s? This is our range 1. So our range 1. Now our range 2 sells be somewhere below here in this area, but if we get a bearish candle closing somewhere below here, right, and then we get a bullish candle somewhere in this area, right, this is our now becomes range 2. So range 1, range 2, and then anything below here is already a good sell. So we're gonna need a bullish closure somewhere in this zone to give us a range 2, to give us a support, to confirm a range 2, and then anything below that we can sell. So once we form the support and then break it during volume time, it means we're coming down to the next support. Okay? Capiche? Good. Tool you used to draw like that? Zoom annotations. What's good, Brian? Appreciate you for being here. Thank you for joining us. K. A. K. Green. Green, you weren't first today. What's going on, Green? It's slacking. Slacking. Did it all drive down here? No, it didn't, right? We look, yeah. Oh, wow. We would have been activated and in some drawdown, right? You would really want a stronger confirmation here, and the way the 15 looked, it didn't really drive down every time it closed below here. Did, but like, I don't know. It's kind of arbitrary. Also, the closure. I want a clear and concise closure, belowsure. Something, right? Something like this right here. Right, that's great. Look, then we rejected here, closed below, drove down. Over here, we also drove down, closed below, drove down, came back into this range, closed below, top wick, drove down, came back, closed below, top wick, drove down. So we're going to look to drive down ballpark somewhere into this area, right? Because that's where it seems to drive down every time it does that. It might not wait for us, but if it does on the 30 in 7 minutes, 7 minutes. This is good technically. I like it when it does this and comes back and leaves a wick, because then it gives us the advantage of the wick, because then you know it's going to at least fill the wick on the next candle with this much momentum. But the disadvantage here is we got 7 minutes and it just might run. It's a long 7 minutes, right? But I'm willing to let it run just to get what I'm more comfortable in. So other than that, it's looking solid. Yeah, range 2 breakouts are Hananen. Yo, my camera don't even see me. I'm trying to lean back, trying to fat Joe it, and it ain't happening. Kai, do me a favor. Close the door, please. Thank you. Get a boss. Gang in here today. Yeah, gang. So, let's stop drawing. There we go. I get an early trade here today. I hope that happens, because I'm losing my voice. I'm tired. Hope we get that. Wicks on a 25K account. What's your lot size on gold and GJ? I'd probably be at around, I don't know, somewhere between 2.5 to 3.5 lots on GJ. I'd probably be at like between 1.5 to 2 lots on gold on 25K. As we're driving down here, like I said, we want to really emulate everything that's happened here previously in the market in this range. So, and look at this. The drive up was fucking, wait, look at this drive up right here. This shit's fucking cleaner than a high school hallway. In the evening time, right after the janitor gets fucking done with this shit, all the kids are gone. You could just fucking bleed right now. Gold. I'm gonna need you to do one of these. Create this wick. Right? So we could fucking ride this wave. I want to see the price on my keyboard. If price is by F8, once price is by F8 or by F9, I don't know where your keyboard is situated in relation to your screen. If it's anywhere near numlock, we good. I'm closing full. Hey, Joey with the signals, Bitcoin signals. I don't know. How much for the signals? Plug it in, chat. We got 4 minutes here. 4 minutes for this 30 closure. If we break the previous 15, what's it here? It's only 4 pips, right? So I'm gonna need to have a break of the can. Wow. 11. Yeah, here's the deal, chat. I want a current candle stop, and I want it to break the previous 15. I want it to grab the liquidity above the previous 15, which, here's the idea behind here. The previous 15 made this top wick, right? And once it made a top wick, it grabbed liquidity and drove. And that wasn't enough liquidity for it to drive any further than this. So what makes you think if it comes back to this level, it's got to respect the 15 and drive again? No, it needs to grab more liquidity. So I'm thinking it's got to come out, break the 15. And if it does that, and it breaks the previous 15 low, which would be the previous 30 low also, I will take it with current candle stops, because at that point, if it breaks that stop, it should probably come up and hit, top of the range, which would be 40 pips here. So it'll be maybe a 15, 18 pip stop, something, maybe 20 pip stop, something like that. But that's what I'm gonna look to do on the next. Yeah, we might get an early trade enhanced possible on the next 30. I'm in, Joe. Thanks. And if it pulls back and it doesn't close below, we'll wait on the hourly, which will also be the 4 hour. But we got less than a minute to go. So I think it's going to close below, but honestly, it doesn't really matter what we think, what we feel, what we predict, what we prayed for. You know, what the fucking goldfish told us. None of that shit matters. Doesn't matter if the fucking, what's his name? Seen his own shadow. Phil. What is it? I forgot the name of the town. Taxatani. Something like that. Phil. None of that shit matters. What matters is what happens, and we did not close below, did we? Well, we did close below the hourly level, right? But it's an hour. I need the hourly in that case to close. Well, the level is, there's a level here, and we initially put it right here, right? It's gonna break, yeah. Yeah, see how the 15 came back in this little range? I think the hourly closes it. What's the 4 hour gonna look like at that point? At that point, we also have a 4 hour close. And last time the 4 hour closed below here, this is probably gonna be the 4 hour level here. Yeah, yeah, it's a solid 4 hour level. It comes down below there. You can also anticipate it with the hourly closure. If we put this level here like we had it initially, look, it closed right above it, now it's respecting it, right? For it to drive, to fill the wick. But we made this little low here. Have a hard time ignoring this low, because right, it's this at this moment, once we made this low here, the market has printed more info, and even though this level is a lot more valid, I think overall, we don't know how valid this level is because the market just printed it during a volume time, right, in the middle of market open. So how valid is this level? We don't know yet. we know this one was a solid level, but we can't ignore it because, right, we have more info printed. So why would we just ignore it, and just go off, let's close our eyes, let's just go off what we did initially. No, more info, use it to your advantage. And see, right now at the moment we're rejecting. High probability it does drive here, it does come down and close below, and when it does that, on the hourly we'll be below here, on the 30 we'll be below there, on the 4 hour we'll be below there, and then we can have a lot more confidence in our position. So I guess we are waiting. And over here, my Asian session friends, bring 30, 30. So, yeah, coming down here, need a closure below here. Wait, why is none of this marked up? Didn't I mark this up already? DJ, did mark this up. All right, so. I don't know. I thought I marked this up already. Maybe I didn't. But this is what we're gonna wait for. On GJ. Wix9, where's the donation button? Show your support for Wix9. It's right there. On the bottom. It's over there. I did it. I don't like the Wix. Wait, show chat. What am I doing? You guys are trying to get together a few bucks? For what? Coffee? Use a shot. The brokest session. The brokest Forex trading session. Is that Canadian? What is that? The loony? What am I gonna do with a loony? Oh, here we go. Come on. Let's get this closure belowsure. What are the best pairs to trade during each session? What do you think? Also, thanks for stream, bro. Okay. Gotcha. Best pairs to trade in each session are the ones that are open during the session, right? Asian session, our GJ is affected by the pound, by the yen. London, GJ is affected by the pound. New York GJ is affected by the pound, right? It opens in London, it closes in New York. And gold is gold. Gold is a safe haven, and it's always moving. Should do a private live streams with $1 entry. Why? I'm not here. Here's the thing. I'm not here to set you back, right? The whole point is for you guys to have more money to trade with, right? Save your money for the next trade. Come to the next trade with more money. If you give me less money, right? Especially you give me money after we win a trade, after you make some dough. Shit, you want to thank me? Take me out for a steak, eat a Luger, whatever you want. We good. But you guys should be, the whole point here is for you guys to approach every trade with as much money as possible and to leave every trade with even more money. Not to come to the stream and somehow you didn't take a trade, but now you have less money. Would you trade on TD Ameritrade? No, on TD like Trader's Domain. Okay. Hey, you're the shit. $4.99. Sorry, just saw that. Thank you. Love you. Oh, you're awesome. Oh my God, bro. I'll pay you back. People pay more attention when they pay for something. Yeah. But then again, I also feel like people pay attention here regardless, because like it's an Asian session and like you're not here. Excuse me. You're not here like playing Fortnite all of a sudden in Asian session. Like if you're making it to Asian session, like it's because you know it's gonna be slower. It's because you want to learn something. Steak on me when I get to Miami. All right. Oh, show. I'm with it. Hey, Green. I know you're gonna come in with that every morning. That's why I like depend on you already. Like I know he got me. Like I know he got me. Actually, so you don't even got me. You got everybody. Like he's looking out for y'all. I don't need that. He's looking out for y'all. You guys should fucking get together and get Green fucking $10 back. Throwing those all around. Look what you guys done started. I might get my first YouTube payout. We monetized, but they haven't paid me. I want my check. Got 5 on it. But shit, it's gonna get smoked whether you're here or not. So, if you're here, you just consider yourself lucky. YouTube pays monthly. Yeah, they ain't paying me yet. Said I want to know who kicked me out. Why? You taking names? Let it be. I didn't even know if you got kicked out. Or you should not by yourself. Enhance? No, don't do it. But if you get a group of people. What does Joey Diaz say? You give me 4 bad motherfuckers, I take over a country. I don't need an army. You give me 4 bad motherfuckers, and we take over a country. Someone did kick me out from your group. Well, you might have did something. Maybe we don't kick you out. You probably just got like banned for 5 minutes.
Watch who you trust, man. Cause these niggas got sticky fingers. Fuck that bitch,
What reason? Yo, let it go. Mahmood. I don't know who kicked you out. Why? It might not have even been this stream. I don't know. You ever heard that song by Tion Wayne? I don't know. Well, I don't know, bro. Here. I got you.
Are you mad? Only run from Fed. Touch my watch, why you want get dead? Yo, burn up, your man get chef. Yo, burn up the right and left. I don't know. When they ask in the interview room, I don't know. How many
Kick my
gal in
mood
the room,
out.
I don't know. Is that your gal in my coupe? I don't know. Still got the whack, no safety. Lauren, Stacy, Mad Mix, Brazy, who dip up niggas daily. Should I cuff Miss Banks? Give her babies. Maybe 9 boys, crazy. Buy big, that's me in Emerton. But I heard they got police intelligence. Told they don't chef cause he's irrelevant. Free throw, that's me in Element. My young boys who free, no evidence. But if on me, if he need anything, love beef adrenaline, in the sharpest melanin.
Don't think I don't do fraud, that I ain't in the trap with a square and a press. I just bought 1,000 grams in the clamp. I whip magic like Penn and Teller. It's Dutch, I was broke, back when I had a thing for Ella. Bought 3.5 of this whack, move back, everything dead up. Jenna,
What's good, better?
just got a drop on both my ups. I'm about to get both of them down, it's wetter.
No pressure.
No pressure, I'm back with a sick vendetta. Dutch, I was left back like Evra. Plug better give me one extra, Velly.
Are you mad? Only run from Fed. Touch my watch, why you want get dead? Yo, run up, your man get
Who
chef.
kicked Mahmoud out?
Run up the right and left. I don't know. When they ask in the interview room, I don't know. How many gal in the room? I don't know. Is that your gal in my coupe? I don't know.
Is he sending for me? I don't know. When I'm boy there, sell first week, I don't know. When they ask for the fee, let them know that's 1.5 for the headline show. Little nigga, that's millies, not thousands. Stormzy the goal, but they really been doubting. Came offline, I've been chilling in mountains. How about you, bro? Really sell albums. Wait, look, I thought I heard shots, but the shoe don't fit. Can't flex on me with a boot on drip. Come on, nigga, that's stupid shit. We all know that I'm stupid rich. Can't stand these neeks when they talk in the tune cast. What I go on, bro, when I walk in the room, that's Big Mac, the most paid, the most sold, and I still get love from all of the goons, like.
Are you mad? Only run from Fed. Touch my watch, why you want get dead? Yo, run up, your man
Yo,
get
who
chef.
kicked him out?
Yo, run up the right and left. I don't know. When they ask in the interview room, I don't know. How many gal in the room? I don't know. Is that your gal in my coupe? I don't know.
Yo, touch my watch, get dead up, shell up, come here, pick your friend up. Some man just too friend up, that's how man get set up, wet up.
Yo, punch man's face off, one up.
Somebody asked, yo, Wix9, Brian, you asked, do I like 6ix9ine? Why? You think I was gonna snitch on everybody who kicked him out? Y'all thought I was gonna 6ix9ine? Wix9 was gonna 6ix9ine the Devious gang? My move was like, who kicked me out? Wix9 over here pointing fingers. Alright. I'm gonna 6ix9ine all of y'all. Snitching on everybody. Y'all better get me some burgers. Is that why you asked if I like 6ix9ine? Yeah, I just like him for the music. For the marketing. I vibe with him. But I ain't snitching. Nah, I mean. Alright, last 15 here. So what do we typically see on the last 15 of the 4 hour? A little pullback. So I would highly doubt that it runs here now. But I wouldn't mind if it just came down lower. Because right, the 4 hour level is technically a little lower. Below here. Yeah, the 4 hour level will be right here. 1650.57. If 1650.6. Actually. That would be even better. But I'm fine here. Once the 1 hour closes below here, I'm fine with looking for sells here on this closure and the next candle. Alright, yo, stop fucking having internet beef. Let it go. Let it go. We're here to get some value out of this, right? He's not gonna pull up to you. You're not gonna pull up to him. You guys are in fucking 2 different continents. I don't know who you're even talking to. You guys, it's crazy. Break it up. Break it up, y'all. before I go get the belt. I feel like he's strolling. Holy shit, why are you yelling at me? Green, Louis beat you to it. Louis, right near the beach, boy. Beautiful, bet you won't. Wix got my account verified and I can trade again. Bet you won't. Good. Start locking it in and paying attention. We got 13 minutes to do fuck all, and then we gotta lock in chat. Little boat. Hey.
I'm drunk, I'm high, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk,
so,
I'm high, but I'm both right now. I don't usually do this
hour of the Asian session has been brought to you in part by Doji Candles. Awesome. Love you too, Astro. Thank you for being actually very consistent. You managed to say we love you, or let me know that literally every single stream. Most probably probably the most consistent lover of our streams. Real trying to eat with you. Good. Then you gotta be here for a little while. You gotta have your emotions in check. You gotta leave your ego at the door. You gotta, figure out where you can exploit the market, set your parameters, and no FOMO. Right? We're pushing down. Gold is pushing, and I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn how far it pushes. I just need a closure here on the hourly. And like I said, let it push. I'd want it to push because on the 4 hour, the level on the 4 hour is lower. It's right here, right? This is the 4 hour level right here. So we want the closure below here on the 4 hour. That's what I'm going to look for. Outside of that, right, the hourly was fine too. Wait, where is it? Where are you, hourly? Right here, this was the level here. It's just on the hourly we can get some, well, even on the 30 we get some great stops. Might use 30-minute stops off for the hourly trade. Let's just see how it closes. Gold sell after pullback. We need the gold to close here with a bottom wick in 8 minutes, and then we need a top wick on the next candle, and then the break of the previous candle low will be our entry. What are you looking for in the candle close? I need it to close below this lower here. See, it says sells below closure, where if we close below that level, 1651.43, I'm going to look for a top wick on the next candle. Like I said, break of the previous candle low, break of this, and then I'm going to look to come down. We've been doing the same shit over and over for a few months now. Congrats to everybody that took another dub with us yesterday. Fucking, you guys kept me here for a while, right? I was here till like quarter to 11. Just wouldn't let me go. I was trying to go, but you guys had me by the pinky. Like, no. Dope, dope. Wow, 300 on here. Drop some likes, subscribe, follow the IG. Thank you guys for being on here. Appreciate all of you. Love and wisdom to you all for showing up here. Really wish it for all of you, and I hope you gained some of it here. Damn, we might hit peak viewers. Actually, no, peak was 365, I think. Feel like the same setup as on GU? Well, then, fuck, drop a chart and a breakdown before it happens on charts for stream. Not like 3 minutes before it happens, but like half hour before it happens, so we can pull it up here. And all, you know, look at it, maybe learn something and take advantage of it with you. Like I always say, maybe you could, you know, there's always, you know, you just always have to be open to a learning opportunity. It can always be time for a learning opportunity. So I'm down to learn if you can teach me something. Educate me, right? But post a chart with your breakdown. Oh, Infamous Rider. Appreciate you. I didn't pay him, guys. He's not on the payroll. I have no idea who that is, but appreciate you. Damn. Awesome. Fell asleep yesterday, wake up and you were still on. Yeah. Just holding your hand to get across the range. Get across the street here. This range of street. You must know is Damvo. Yeah, he's supposed to be on the stream tonight. I don't know why he's not on. I think he's playing hockey tonight. But yeah, he's got the New York session live stream where you'll see me as well. Is that how you found us? Do you know him as well? Oh, you got banned. You didn't get banned from my stream. You got banned from you got banned from Don's stream. There's a lot of mods there. I have no idea. I gotcha. Well, some of those mods are here, so if I don't know. Can you get a hookup? Sheesh, we're driving here. This is good, but I need a bottom wick. We're gonna close below the 4-hour level as well. Indonesia in the house. Indonesia in the house. I 5 times fast. Indonesia in the house. Indonesia. Thank you for joining us. Drop a like and subscribe. Can you explain the bottom wick? I thought it was 2 wick. What? Question in UK rap or USA rap? It depends artist by artist. Mahmood, we got 3 minutes. It doesn't matter. Lock it in. What are you here to do? B for trade. $100 account. I'm going 0.05. But that's based on my relationship with money. Jesus, what? WTF, pull back. Pull that back, pull that back. See? We have very similar candles in the market before, right? You guys see them, I see them. And now let's just emulate them. Look, closure below. Rejected, close below. This one drove down, close below. Look, close below here. Close below here. And then what happens every time after that candle? Boom, drive down, drive down, drive down, drive down, drive down. So like I explained earlier, this is going to be roughly the point where I'm looking to drive down to. And this is what's called technical analysis, right? We are studying previous market data right here, which is available to us. So, and we're going to use that to our advantage to exploit the market. This, you know, it's done that in the past many times. So based on our levels, it should do that again. We are only here to predict the next candle, and we want to do that with a high degree of probability. Now, clear all drawings. See if we get a 4-hour closure, but if even a 1 hour is fine for me here. 30 seconds here, chat. Lock it in. Oh, perfect, chat. Perfect, chat. I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of this previous candle low. Opened up, got this top wick. I don't, ideally I'd want a steeper top wick, but I'm gonna have a sell stop here. It's a new 4 hours. Will it drive here? I don't know if it will drive here immediately on the, but here I'm willing to take that chance. We got our position, got our top wick, got the bottom wick on the previous candle. Sell stop right here, 1649.833.
Shorty keep calling my phone, thinking I want her, but we don't get along. Papers are out of a bone, everything.
At this moment, it's looking like 24 pip stops. Previous 30 stops. Stops right here. It's 23 pips. Yep. And the good thing about the sells here, you guys don't have to account for spread. Like I said, on sells market, your price will activate at market price, or your sell stop will activate market price. So on TD, I'm gonna have it at 1649.72. Okay, but you guys do it wherever it is, wherever that low is on your broker. So look, last time we had this candle close. It's very interesting. from Bali. Awesome. My day, it was awesome. So that's relevant here right now. Look, last time we closed below here, this top wick came to here. So I'm thinking roughly around here we can make the same top wick and mirror this candle to here. That's what I'm looking for, exactly as it did here.
You don't have to square it feels good, yeah. Adderall pills feel good, yeah. I know they would kill for a bill, yeah. Made a couple million off the deal, yeah. But I'm still in my hood, yeah. Drop top coupe in my hood, yeah. I get money, I'm good, yeah.
This is good. We're getting pulled back here. No bottom wick yet. What's the range here? Oh shit. Okay. What is it to fill the wick? 6 pips. I don't know if I want to do the flip or the break of the previous candle low. 6 pips here, right? But I'd be a lot more comfortable on the break of the low. 5.5. Fine. Save us 5 pips. Go break even soon, but I'll be a lot more comfortable if we, in this situation, if we break the low. If this wick was maybe steeper, I would do the flip, but because then we're filling the wick. I don't want to just fill the wick at 5 pips and come back and reflip bullish. This is the current situation. Wow, 360 watching. Awesome. We might, I think 365 was peak, but hey, we might break that. Move mine at the flip. Yeah, you can do that. Like I said, Clint, what I used to do is, I still do it sometimes, but I need like 9-10 pips. I'll take half at the flip, half at the break of the low. But in this case, I'm just like, my comfort level is at the break of the low here. The goal here is not to over risk, where in the middle of the trade, regardless of what's happening, your impulses could take over, because that's when that's when the markets beat you. Once you lost control, right? I believe you're activated, Clint, right? Okay, driving here. Will we activate? Why chat get so quiet when we're about to enter a trade or when we're in a trade? Oh, you activated, didn't change it fast enough? It's fine. I mean, you're still ahead. Look, trust the higher time frames. Like I said, don't just close out impulsively, or you were going to change something. Like, trust the higher time frames, and you know, if your position is based on the higher time frames. Stream. Oh shit. Thank you, AA Ron. Appreciate you being here. Now, if another one of y'all says some silly ass nay. We activated yet? Hold on, let me look at my broker. Oh, we're activated, chat. We are in. So, we have been activated. remove. Oh, I never told people that I had a sell stop. Oh, I did tell people. I never put it on screen. I never wrote it. But I told you guys we had a sell stop. Right, this was initially our stop. Previous 30. And I'd love to fill this whole shit here, but I don't think we will. We're gonna look at these levels here. And we'll also got 40 pips here. At around, hold on. I think right here, yeah, at 15 pips, I will be looking to go break even and close 75% of my position. So this is the position we're in, chat. We've been on a massive winning streak, and at some point all streaks do come to an end, but I do not believe that is happening tonight. It might, I mean, right? That's why I don't over risk, and that's why risk is dynamic for me, and I'm with every candle closing I'm managing it, but I have the comfort of being confident in my position, so I'm gonna trust the higher time frames to take me where they've been taking me the entire time we've been streaming. Well, the last few months for sure. Now, if you're in drawdown, don't panic. Like I always say, doesn't mean you're behind in a trade. Probability-wise, you're still ahead. But yeah, drawdown part of the game. The only thing I see happening here is if we come back up to make a steeper 4-hour wick, but and then this would play out. But regardless, this setup has to play out, and we're banking on the fact that it's volume time, right? And volume time is a catalyst for driving price, and that's what we need. We need a catalyst in the market to drive price. We don't want to be here trickling down or up or you know, ranging. We want a nice clean drive, and in order to get that, we need a catalyst, and right now that catalyst is peak market hours for Asian, 8-9 p.m., right? It's the earliest we've entered a gold trade in a while, right? And for managing risk, if we start closing bullish, I'd say if we start closing bullish back above 1651.43, I will start looking to manage risk, maybe close half. Until then, there's not much management here. Our last loss, we had a loss, I think, on Monday of last week. We had a loss, but we had to win that same stream. So overall, we were in profit. We were plus 5 pips, 12 pip loss, 17 pip win. That was our last loss. Before that, wow, before last Monday, you have to go back 6 weeks. We had 6 weeks of no losses. You know, when that happens, you're always like, even on downstream, we say like, yeah, it's overdue. You know, we want to get it over with. Let's get this loss over with so we can start another streak. But then again, like, it's your position. Like, sometimes you can go on, you know, 20, 30 winning streaks just because it's your position. And then you can get a losing streak too, overall throughout the year. I'm managing risk, close some position. Well, what are you closing it based on? Are we breaking levels? If we're breaking levels for you, then yeah, you could start closing. 15, 30. Uh-oh, we're riding up, riding up. Enhanced is weird and stupid. I'm serious. Why he must watch my chart. Why must he watch your chart, Mahmoud? Yeah, the hourlies are the most valid stops, but I'm not gonna let it ride up more than this. I'm fine here, and then if we end up coming back below here after breaking highs, then I'll look for more entries. Damn, Wickerson drove the other way. Never got activated? Yeah, I barely got activated. Activation price. Blueberries wouldn't be activated. But it's not a big deal. Like, you guys panic. Like, oh, another L. Like, just 1%. You risk 1%. You have to take like 100 L's in a row. Like, we rarely take 2 or 3 in a row. Usually an L is followed by a winning streak of like 4, 5, 6. So, like, just risk 1%. It's so hard to get through to people to just risk that 1%. I got incredibly low risk. Yeah, we break these highs here, chat. I'm gonna be out for 23 pips. We gotta break the previous 30 highs. I think that's right. The most proper highs are right here at the hourly. That's 41. This is 23 is fine. It's double. I'd rather wait for that price to come back, and then I can take more sells, or we come back above 1654, 100. I can look for more buys, and this comes back fairly quickly. Like, you don't think of making stuff back. You just take the next trade, and the goal is to win the next trade. If we'd start closing above here, though, I'm gonna start. Oh, I'm out. 20. My stop got slipped. 24 pips. 1 pip is not bad. I thought it'd get slipped a lot more. Wow, that moved up quick. All right, I guess we gave the haters content today. First, we go on win streaks. We get peak viewers. Boom, content for the haters. Let's see if it breaks the hourly. That's the valid one. Minus 24. Never broke the hourly. Still respecting it. If you guys look at it, for now it's still respecting it. Starts coming back down, closing back below here. I'll look for that again. But now once it breaks it, then we have an indication of direction, right? And volume. If it breaks it coming up, 1654, 100 is my buys above zone. 1650.25, 1 hour support. Yeah, but we closed. Look, I understand the 1 hour support, but I have a 4 hour. See this box here right here? This is a 4 hour. I drew that separately. That's a 4 hour zone. We closed below the 4 hour support. As on the 4-hour, that level was there. If we close below there, I was expecting this same wick and then to come down. But look, it made a steeper wick. Might still come down. It's respecting it. So it's just the most proper level here is the hourly, but it's also 50 pips, like or damn near 50 pips, 46. Is one win equal to one loss for you? Well, we could count it, right? You could count it in money. So this ate away at the last trade and a half. So the last two trades make up are more than this. So yeah, today's New York trade and yesterday's Asian are more than this loss. So, you know, chat, we've been winning for fucking 2 months. Just because there's peak viewers today. Yeah, we had like 390, damn near 400. On a day like today. Oh, good. I love you guys for being here. Awesome. It's not fun taking an L on stream, but then again, you know what? It happens, and we take such a massive amount of wins day in and day out. There's a reason people come here night in and night out for the Asian session. Yeah, there's a lot of trolls. There's a lot of haters that come here for the content for us to lose. But for 2 months, they had no content. And now people are showing up because we've been winning so much. They're like, all right, fine, you'll get some content. Don Woe on stream Asia, once in a while, rarely. He ups in from time to time. Yesterday, he wanted to take the same trade as us, but he was busy. Yeah, I would take the same trade over and over. Over and over and over. And we're getting an onion here. Onion here on GJ. Hey, GJ, we need a closure. Yeah, where's that? Oh, that was, you got to end on the flip of the previous 1 hour? Wow. It's tough. You had a bullish 1 hour close. Eesh. And if you were still in the trade, why are you still in the trade? You had massive profits there. Should have just closed. Swerving. Relax, chat. Relax. Take it easy. Stop beefing. Like the stream. We're going to get some more dubs. Might not be today. Might be tomorrow. But there's dubs incoming. For every loss, there's a winning streak. So, take it easy. Don't stress. And keep the course, right? Stay the course. Don't let fucking an L make you go chasing shadows and jumping strategy. You know shit works. Let it have that comfort you. Let there be a comfort in that. That this shit works, right? There's a reason that we've been able to do this for a few years live and show the process and show the accounts and show the build up and show. Kai's in the other room, baby. She's in the other room, baby. Go, you can find her. Just close the door to my office. Ah, you killed me. You and the market killed me. Now fucking close the door. Thank you. She just used her magic wand on me and then flew away on her magic carpet. Do you trade gaps? There's no gaps here on the broker. No, I don't trade the concept. Concept of gaps is not something I utilize in my daily trading. That magic, I'm sure, will be winning now. Alright, guys. Not that serious. Last 2 weeks, men gave a lot of pips to those gaps. Am I reading that right? What? Last 2 weeks, men gave a lot of pips. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I just don't trade it. Drop a chart, show me, explain it in a chart, like what it looks like. Zan Wixon turns to fight Adam. Look, yeah, it's still respecting our 4-hour candle, right? Which is also the previous hourly high. Like I said, that was the valid stop, but we can't risk. We can. I mean, you can. Whatever you guys can do, whatever you want to do. Me personally, I wouldn't be risking this. I'd rather take my stops here because we have no confirmation if it breaks this, drives up, or it holds here. But if it does hold here, we'll look for more sells, and if it breaks here, we'll have a chance to not be stuck in a position the wrong way, praying and doing shit that don't work, right? And we can just take the buys up with it, but we need for it to happen first. Look, the dailies don't flip here, so very interesting. Vicky Mahamunkar. Hello from USA. We break the high. Oh yeah. Yeah, it did break the highs. Should drive up. We got an onion, but is it going to come back or is it just going to keep breaking highs? Scandal retraces another 15 pips. We can have buy stops here as well. Oh. Sorry, chat. Been a long day. Tired. All we take is learning, yeah. No diplomas here because the learning never stops, right? It's always more value. Now you look at this trade and you can say to yourself, how can I have done a better job here? And then you fucking smack your head upside that. Because you couldn't have done a better job here. I mean, tough. Like, we always take this. I don't know. I would have avoided this in any situation. No, like, maybe if the 4 hour respected and the 1 hour did this, but the 4 hour closed below for me. And the 1 hour stops probably doesn't work. I think it broke. Oh. Did it? I think it did. Damn, a lot of people from India. What's up, y'all? What's up? Thanks for joining. Drop a like, subscribe. Took our first L of the... No, I'm lying. Second L of the month. We only have 2 L's in October. We had 3 wins first week, 3 wins second week. We had a win and a loss, and we had a win and a loss. So I think 6, 10. I think we're 10 and 2 in October for Asian session. I might be off. Like, I'm going ballpark by the last 4 weeks, but 10 and 2. Everyone's here because you are cool. You know what's cooler than being cool? Ice cold. Hey, young stoner life. Pots and pants.
Play me out on a friend. Trapping on the block in the late night. I'm in the field like a great white. Put up a post and these niggas gon' bite. I really pop it, they think that I right. Bitch on the bomb, I ain't banging night. Whole gang is lit, they gon' boom when I light it. See through the trial like I ain't got indicted. My life a movie, they couldn't even type it. Bad bitch, overseas Skype. Tripping, I went put a scope on the rifle. I'm shooting at the deals, I'm shooting at the rifle. Hide your hoe on with KP, he the sniper. Put that little baby in diaper.
Saskatchewan. Damn, where you from? Right near Saskatchewan, boy. Damn, we still respecting this level, huh? Just gonna flip on us here, huh? I'm just kidding. It's not. Closing bullish back above range here. I think we're gonna drive up. Is this what on the hourly? Nah.
I need the spot with the pots in the pan. I got a stick that I made that boy dance. Shit ain't got crazy, we running from fans. I'm not a small fry, they do what they can. Bang the machine like I'm calling on land. Stood on the block and stay down like a man. Fall on the ones, I'm not calling it.
Did we break the highs of the previous 4 hour here? We did a little, right? Like, it's hard for me to look for sells now. Yeah, how's this 30 closing? Yeah, we should see a bottom wick and come back, start coming back up. But I don't want to take buys here until we're above here. So. Yeah, nothing changes for me. So here's the thing, I need buys above here because at that point the 4 hour will clearly break the previous 4 hour, and then I know the bias is bullish. The bullish is bias. Reach those is harder.
She tried to play me, I fought on her friend. Trapping on the block in the late night. I'm in the field like a great white. Put up a post and these niggas gon' bite. I really pop it, they think that I right. Bitch on the bomb, I ain't banging night. Whole gang is lit, they gon' boom when I light it. See through the trial like I ain't got indicted.
Well, banks manipulate trade again. Took out sellers, now let's take out buyers and continue downside. Like, you don't have to guess all of this. You'll see it happening. Like, yeah, we signal closure, right? Below. And it's alright. Alright. We just can't afford to have the stop here. Like, this area, this is a more solid stop. You don't need to guess where it's gonna go. Once again, you need to see more closures. The broker using Traders Domain. You put the crosshairs on the handle, it tells you the high and low of the candle. Next to it, it says Oanda trading. Yeah, I know Combat Force. Thanks. Right. Really? Where? Tell me now.
On a bitch, let you kill nigga Minaj. That little IG bitch ain't shit for the inner car. Fuck round to the side piece, pop out that night and double up. Talk talking Chinese, but all these sticks in the car. It's your one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat, it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons. I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing. No way I'm anemic. I gave my Rolls Royce some wings. Jury so damn cold I could freeze. Hey, first time I called Elliot, gonna tell me to spend $250. Now my chain costs $500,000, and I'm plotting on a silly Billy. Made $25 million, I said Now all of these hoes fucking me better. Shorty say she like me 'cause she sliding through the trenches with me. Give her $1 million worth of game like I'm wallowing Gilly. Weezy wanna Pluto ride it, this shit way too easy. I put your bitch in CC, Celine Chanel if need be. You niggas really actors, you should've been on TV. You talking like you turned up, you niggas really TD. It's your one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat, it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing. No way I'm anemic. If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. I can't take cash through the week. On the Tesla, I can't go to sleep. I covered up body with C's. I'm copping the drip overseas. I like when she get on her knees. I'm rocking these Vita on jeans. I need me a fat ass to squeeze. I promise I look like a king. I told you we all about the cream. My bag is 100 or more. I got these cash over shows. Let the jacket I hopped in the rose.
Ain't rocking on SI2. My diamonds VVS. Ain't driving on CRV. My coupe is a GTS. All the hard times gave me strength. So I can carry this money to the bank. Nobody help me, there's no one to thank. Now they watching the picture I paint. My plug always make sure I'm straight. Not every superhero got a cape. Smoking on back was bad for me, but I don't want smoke on a vape. Yeah. I ain't healthy, but my pockets they in shape. Yeah. Fucking all these hoes on tour and state to state. State to state. Laying by the pool, your girlfriend feeding me grapes. Feeding me grapes. Gotta keep it on me, I got a lot at stake. I was born with all this drip, I came out of faucet. When they put my bro in a chain gang, I almost lost it. So much jealousy and envy, gotta be cautious. I made some M's when I surrounded myself with bosses.
Had too many flaws, I got my Rolex flooded with flawless. Had too much drip, I had to invest into a closet. When I poked that 12 inside of a 2, I felt nauseous. If I pop another Tesla pill, I'm the closet. I pulled out the ladder and got my roof, thought I lost it. Lately no hate been come my way, think I dodged it. She called her friend, we fucking in the room, told her fall in. I moved in the pit with a 30-foot Drake, nigga we ballin'. Put heat in my floods inside of my room, off-white on the side of my shoes. BS's in all of my jewels, no blessings right after you lose. When you stressed my family cool, different watches depend on the mood. Like the shopping with Fendi and Gucci, you be watching my grind like the news. I'ma chop up the pay with the crew, no mechanic but I keep it tool. Gonna got hold by the tools, got a stick and don't nobody move. She be eating my dick like it's food, she a freak and she still go to school. I put that bitch in a groove, me and Nasty they catch to the roof.
I was born with all this drip, I came out of faucet. When they put my bro in a chain gang, I almost lost it. So much jealousy and envy, gotta be cautious. I made some M's when I surrounding myself with bosses.
Had too many flaws, I got my Rolex better with flawless. Had too much drip, I had to invest into a closet. When I poked that 12 inside of a 2, I felt nauseous. If I pop another Tesla pill, I'm because sick.
I spent a mortgage on my clothes, now I'm ballin'. Girl, I'm tryna fuck right now, no time for stalling. I just got a walk-in closet to put them all in. My whip so close to the floor, you gotta fall in. I stopped wearing Levi's, now it's balmy. Every time you see me, I'm with the same gang. I'm tryna get 100 mil for tryna maintain. Put me up another 6, I'm killing all pains. I was born with all this drip, I came out of faucet. When they put my bro in the chain gang, I almost lost it. So much jealousy and envy, gotta be cautious. I made some M's when I surrounded myself with bosses.
Had too many flaws, I got my Rolex better with flawless. Had too much drip, I had to invest into a closet. When I poked that 12 inside of a 2, I felt nauseous. If I pop another Tesla pill, I'm because sick.
Yeah, Florida got some crazies. There's a Florida man for every day of the year.
You gotta get fly just to listen to the shit. Got a brand new Glock, Scotty Pippen in the clip, but I ain't Scotty Pippen.
There it goes.
I be pippin' on the bitch. You a sucker ass nigga, why you listen to the bitch? I be fucking with these hoes and I flip 'em with my clip. You be covering on these hoes and you kissing on that bitch. I'm on that young nigga shit. Got a big old bag cause I'm young and I'm rich.
4 hour clearly broken. We are gonna continue bullish here. Daily has flipped and the daily is looking to fill that wick up. Like we said, remember daily made a fake out to come back up above range. So today bottom wick can come up. Range 2 breakouts weren't it today. The daily bias is the daily bias. It broke the lows here, right? Who's gonna drive? It's gonna drive. Nah, I just need a closure. We got a closure at 10 p.m. I will look for buys to continue up. And if we don't, I will see you guys in the morning in the New York session live stream with Don. Outside of that, I mean, just chill out. We need some closures here. I'm not going to take the last 15 of the hourly here. I'm going to wait for the hourly to actually close. Once the hourly closes, we're going to look for buys the same way we saw over here. Boom, boom, boom. We might see a lot of volume here. We see volume when high time frame candle highs and lows are broken, when you get closures above and below range, and when both those things happen during market times. That's a big indication of A, direction, B, volume. Your cues to start tuning in and listening and paying attention to the market and what it's saying. You dig?
What the deal?
What the deal?
Bet. I got 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the load. I got 2 phones, one for the beaches and one for the dough. Think I need 2 more. Line popping, I'm ring, ring, ringing. Count money while they ring, ring, ringing. Trap jumping, I'm ring, ring,
Ringing. Louder. Can't do louder. I might like him. You're right. Just not gonna do it right now. How many of you are feeling some type of way? Take it to L. You over risk. You had more in there than you should have. No, you shouldn't love L's. You should be looking to come here and and win every day. I don't like L's. L's suck. That means I was, you know, I did something wrong, or that means today was that 20%. And it's not, you know, you have to experience them in order to get the wins, right? Right, you can't have the 80% wins without the 20% losses. That shit doesn't, you know, otherwise if you just have 80% wins, that means you're 100%, and that's nothing's 100%. Just logic, right? You can't have one without the other. So just realize that this loss means we're 80% profitable, right? Or we're 80% correct. They're not great. They're not. If streak of losses may start getting, you know, start to bring you down. But those streaks, for me, it's just, you know, I have the comfort of knowing that, you know, this shit works. Those streaks and seeing the incredible amount of blue just in a row in your terminal, it does something for your confidence and for entering trades that I can, like, you know, nothing in the market will. So stick to what you're doing. Don't switch up strategies. And L doesn't mean it's wrong. And let it come to you. I got 2 phones, one for GJ, one for gold, right? One for GJ and one for gold. Yeah, I mean, we're great on the month, massively up for the month. But this is our last hurrah here for today. It might end up being just that one loss. It's alright. Looks when you're looking for daily buys, you're looking at a current candle or preview. I'm looking at how the previous daily closed, and we will look for positions in that direction. That will be our bias. So if yesterday's daily candle closed bullish, back above range, back into this range above, we were looking for a bottom wick and a drive up to fill this wick. We mentioned it during the breakdown, and the only time most take sells is range 2. We had range 2 marked up over here, took sells, and took our second L of the month instead of taking a W. But we got those range 2s and didn't work out. We're coming back up. If we close back above, that means we were bullish all along. Like with our daily bias, we can take these buys coming up, but we need a closure above. So like I said, closure, it's for there to be a, you know, a drive, we need a catalyst, and a closure above during market hours will indicate direction and volume, and I would expect the next candle to come up, right? Because these are still market hours, peak market hours. Now, it might still come up. It might not even close above and come up. But if it does all of that, great. All I know is that if it closes above, that's even better. And I'm going to look for the better, right? I'm not going to settle. Great. We could do whatever you want. Over here, close, and then drive up. I just know that the part that we exploit is the closure above. Because that's what we've tested, right? That's what our bread and butter has been, you know, waiting for a closure above the range and then taking a trade. We haven't, you know, we haven't taken this position closure below the range and then taking a buy. So we just, you know, we preach what we've done and what we do. Tom will not enjoy when we will see L. What? I don't give a damn. Don knows we've been taking massive massive streaks here. Massive, I mean like at one point it was over a month since we lost. We had like six 6 weeks of wins. And that's due in part also because we take less trades here, right? So we're maybe averaging 3 a week, but we had like 5-6 weeks in a row, like 3-0, 2-0, 3-0, 2-0. Why are you touch your entry on the GBP, please? What? I don't have an entry on GBP. Like, if we can pull back here on the hourly, we might look for buys to repeat what we did before. See this long wick here, it came back. If we can come back to here, to 169.55, and leave this wick, next candle, I'll look for bottom wick and take buys. That's all we're looking for on GJ, and all we're looking for on gold is for a closure above 1654. And if it does that, we're gonna look for bottom wick and then to drive up to retest the highs. Outside of that, there's not much going on, gang, and I think we got 10 minutes till we call it a stream. My boy, persistent and consistent. No, it wouldn't be beneficial if I set up a chat with a delay, because then we'll be all fucked up. So I'm just gonna trust the mods to do their thing. Just snipe them. You're out of there. Pew pew. You word green. Pew 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 pew. Yeah, almost at 3K. Like almost, like 500 viewers. Yeah, we're growing. Getting the word out there. Wasn't the best stream to have peak viewers, but you can't have peak viewers and win every time, right? Last 3 times we had peak viewers, we had wins. I even mentioned it last time. Today we are not that stream. GJ said, fuck yo wick. I'm just gonna drive up. That's cool. That's cool. Do you trade full time or do you have some other job? We go over this all the time. I need to just record this answer once. Just leave it. I do not trade full time. I only do this a few hours a day. This is my main source of income, and it affords me the time and the money to be able to follow other endeavors and open up other businesses. So technically I trade and I have other businesses. Right? But trading gives me the time, freedom, and the opportunity to go and invest in other things and create work for other people, right? Create more taxpayers. Taxes are better in Florida than in New York, I'll tell you that much. Yes, it can be done. You're at a huge disadvantage at the level of a retail trader. Yes, and it can be done. And most of you will not be able to do it. But all of you can do it. This takes a particular set of skills to come together for you at a particular moment in your life where your ego and your relationship with money and your knowledge and understanding of charts all meet, right? Where they all combine, and it has to happen just right for you to be just at a proper. And we're back. 250 real one stayed on through the turbulence. All right. I don't know why I'm even back though. Honestly, I'm gonna call it a session. I'm not gonna take another trade. Honestly, I'm gonna call it that at 20 minus 23 pips, minus 24 pips today. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys showing up. Can we get 200 likes? Let's get 200 likes. Like, subscribe, follow the IG. Let's grow the community. Let's grow the best community, you know, with less trolling and more value shared. You know, technically, you know, we can all win. Someone's saying, can we win? We can all win. Right? Yeah, this, like I said, this is a zero-sum game. At the end of the day, you know, there's a winner, there's a loser, but over here, we can all win in this community. It's possible. Every single person on here can take a trade and win. Yeah, big dubs, but the W is in the position, in the trade, and in the value. So dubs for the value, L in the trade, but dubs if you take the same trade again tomorrow, right? L's in the result, but dubs on the trade. You know what we looked for, we had to play out, and we took it. The idea might still play out, but regardless of what happens here, I'm done for the evening. That's the Asian session for me. There we go. We're 200 likes. YouTube's hating a little. Made us cut the music out. So I'm not gonna restart it. Vibes after that. Kill it for me, YouTube. You threw off my groove, YouTube. I'm kidding. Love you, YouTube. Don't cancel me. I love you. Anyway, appreciate all yous being here. And love and wisdom to you all. I'll be on Don's session in New York. I'll be on Don's stream in New York, in the New York session at 6:30. I'll be on at like 7. And I'll also be on. What's today? Today is Wednesday. So today's Tuesday. We got 2 more streams. So yeah, we had a win yesterday, lost today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Join us on Hump Day, right? Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern for the Asian Session live stream here on YouTube. Love and wisdom to you all. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you, mods. Thank you, chat. Thank you, Chad. And thank you to the new guy who was complaining that he kept getting kicked off or kicked out. I hope you find your way. You need to find God and then come back. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, love, wisdom.